Hello, my name is Sasangar Gupta. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am doing manual and automation testing from Masai School, and I am B42 batch. I am a student, as a student. B42 batch. My student code FS 41 underscores 458437. Just I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, screen here. Here is. Um, I have make a project for given by Masai School. So here is a test plan, a project name Tutorial Ninja. Uh, this is a page created by Saksanga Gupta, date 4/2/25. Table content, objective, scope, testing, test environment, testing tools and resources, deliverables, and risk and mitigation, internal medication, internal exit criteria, testing delivers total responsibility, testing schedule, timelines, acceptance criteria. First, objective, purpose, and goals. What is the goals? Validate the functionality of such a shopping cart affiliate program. Scope of testing, functional testing, non-functional testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, test environments. So operating testing, browser, network configuration, testing tools and resources, manuals and testing tools, browser developer tools, screen capture tools, documental tools, communication and tracking, bug tracking tools, Jira, Bugzilla, or similar, or logging and tracking defects. Collaboration tools like Microsoft Team, IMO, or a team, where resource manual test managers, supervisors, business analysis, and requirements clarification deliverables. This manual test plans, documentation, reports, other deliverables. This manual test plans document detailed manual test cases, test data, and environment setup documentation. Daily and weekly test execution, reports, defect, bug reports, finally test summary, and risk and mitigation, risk mitigation, test environments, instability and unavailability. Mitigation, verify environment status before testing, have a backup device and networks, risk mitigation, and entry and exit criteria, entry approved and finalized requirements are design documents fully configured and accessible test environment. Next up, exit criteria. All planned test cases are executed. All critical and highly severity defects are resolved are acceptable as per risk mitigation, test deliverables, execution, manual test plans during execution, daily and weekly test execution logs, detailed defect bug reports with screenshots and replication steps post execution, final assembly reports, and improvement relation loan, update test document future and next is a bug report. This is a bug report. Result. Then sort of attachment browser and reported reported by. So and here is mind map, testing workflow, test objective, test coverage, test scenario and test cases, bug reporting flow, bug identification, bug logging, bug categorization, bug reproduction, assign the bug fix verification, closure of the bug, and test and text cases, shopping cart functionality, affiliate programs, affiliate registration, login and dashboards, referral link on tracking, payout system, adding item to cart, updating cart, applying discount, checkout process, each cases, and test objective ensure core functionality of work correctly identify and report defects in the shopping cart and affiliate programs, validate UI performance and security aspect, ensure compatibility across browser and devices from test coverage, functional testing, UI UX testing, severity, security testing, performance testing, compatibility testing. Device detection checks on responsiveness across devices, validate button alignment and font size, test line and dark modes if available. SQL injection in the login and checkout forms, broken authentication, section hijacking, URL manipulations, load time on homepage, and checkout response time under high user load. Performance compatibility testing test can on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, test and Android and iOS devices. Yeah. And this is three. So next is there test scenarios. Total scenario to validate shopping cart functionality affiliate program. Total number of days gets 440. So and shopping cart shopping cart there is shopping cart test scenarios and test cases verify the shopping functionality and clickable and login and create the shopping cart functionality with a valid or invalid inputs and credentials. Test ID test cases, test cases, the prerequisite test steps, test steps, test data, expected result, actual result, priority, and status. So these are all the things. So country, high, minimum, low, and affiliate program. Here we there is affiliate program test cases, scenario ID test cases, scenario um, to validate the affiliate features, verify affiliate total 20 functionality, access login dashboard, registration, login, verify invite with login, affiliate with the login functionality, referral link, functionality, passwords, affiliate information, all those things. This can test cases, guided test case description, prerequisite, test step, test data, expected result, actual result, priority, status. And next which is test summary reports. This is the test summary reports, project name, module testing, shopping cart functionality, affiliate program, tested URL, prepared by Sangupta, date, review by, tested by, test type, testing type, exploratory testing, test execution, system period, approval, Shivam sir. First objective list primary goal of exploratory testing, shopping cart affiliate functionality, identify defects, and without predefined test cases, the testing focused. So correct functionality in shopping cart, add to cart, update cart, remove item checkouts, affiliate program registration, commission tracking, payments, and functional defects, UI, inconsistent security, vulnerability, and performance issue, exploring unexpected system behaviors. Second, test scopes. In scope, shopping cart and affiliate program, remove items, update quantity, apply coupons, checkout process, order summary, total price calculation, and payment validation, verification, user session handling in the cart, persistent cart, affiliate registration, login, and dashboards, validation, tracking commission, earnings, withdrawals, and payments methods, validation of referral link and tracking mechanism, out of scope, backend database testing, notes, non-shopping features, a blog, contact page, and non-affiliate account, the functions, testing summaries, categories, total test categories, to test total scenario, tested, past, fail, blocked, not tested, shopping cart affiliate programs, total key defect found, defect ID, defect description, severity, status, bug, social critical to I3, key finding and observation, strength, shopping on cart functionality are mostly stable with proper product on adhering addition and checkout flow. The affiliate program dashboard is a well structured showing a referral earnings and transaction. The user interface is responsive on different screen size. Areas of improvement. Price calculation in the shopping cart needs fixing. Incorrect updation. Security issues. Affiliate registration accept invalid email formats leading to potential spam accounts. Session handling needs improvements. User gets logged out randomly during checkout. Affiliate tracking system needs validation. Some referrals are not being credited. And here is one conclusion and recommendation. The shopping cart functionality is partially working, but cart price update is not a update, and checkout validation must be fixed. The affiliate program has found tracking issue and email validation needs improvements. Security vulnerability session of management for validation should be prioritized. After fixing critical issues, a regression testing cycle should be conducted. Yeah. This is a test summary, reports, and test plan tutorial, test plan summary, there is test plan, we work, bulbs. So that's it for today from my side. That's it from my side. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm stop sharing now.